Hey, how's everyone doing today? Today's day 41. Um, it's Monday, April 14th, 2025. Just had a little warm up. I'm going to be working on a little bit of everything today. Starting with some push-ups, and then I'm going to go get a little bit of everything going. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I'm gonna warmed up a little too hard today, and I'm feeling it. So like I said, it's day 41. It's April 14th, 2025. We're about 8 months post-surgery, maybe 9 months almost. Let's see, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Yeah, so this is month number 9 exactly. Surgery date was August 13th, 2024. So today I'm going to be doing some push-ups, and I'm going to work from a deficit today. I'm feeling pretty strong. This will be a benchmark workout for me. So this morning is going to be strength, and then tonight I have a 2 mile run. So that's 8 400 meters. My goal is to eight 400 meters in. I would like to get about 20 minutes. Still pretty slow, but you know, I gotta take my time getting back in shape. So the run will be this afternoon, and then today is just my little strength work. So sorry for me rambling on so much. I'm getting new to this. Hopefully everything turns out the way I want it. I really am appreciating all the support, and I'm appreciating all the people cheering me on. These aren't the most exciting workouts. They're just something that I have to do. And I found putting myself on camera, I could see in a year from now how much I've improved. And I wanted to share my experience with everybody. So I won't talk too much more. I'm going to get right into the work, and starting with some deficit push-ups. Feel free to give me some pointers. You can leave a comment. I have really thick skin, so if you want to make fun of them, go ahead. If you want to give me some constructive criticism, go ahead. I have open ears, and let's get right to work, starting with the push-ups. Not quite. Well, that's all I got for this morning. You know, I'm pretty happy with how it felt. Short and sweet. I'm definitely breathing harder than I thought. Like I said, this afternoon, I'm going to be working on some running and boosting my cardio performance. I still have a long way to go, and thank you guys for being part of it. I guess I will catch you guys later this afternoon when I try to do my 2 miles. I do have to think about how I'm going to approach it, but I'm feeling pretty good about myself. You know, this is my starting point. And I'm going to try to improve every single day, moving forward. Trying to enjoy the process. It stings a little bit having to start all the way over. I think my form is improving. I know my cadence is improving. Diet still needs a lot of work. But I'm not really in a rush. Life is short. I'm trying to stay around as long as I can. Having 3 open heart surgeries really puts things in perspective. You know, the things in your life that are important are your health, your family. If you can put food on the table, you're doing something right. You don't need a lot of money to be successful. You just have to be a good dude or woman, girl, good dude, good woman, I don't know, whatever you want to say. I think people are amazing. I'm so happy to have so many good people in my life. Starting over again has been pretty challenging. I am battling a little bit of social anxiety, battling a little bit of depression. I will say the exercise and achieving a goal, depending on how my reps look or how my form looks, how hard I'm breathing, it's all a starting point. So tomorrow I just have to do a little bit better. My next lifting day is going to be on Wednesday. Tuesday I plan on doing some jiu-jitsu. It's funny that I'm not in very good athletic condition right now, but when I'm on the mats rolling, I've had a few rolls with some young dudes, and I'm able to use technique and leverage and have success. It's really amazing. So if you're looking to start jiu-jitsu and you're scared, you're not in shape, don't worry about that. Just go to class, meet some friends, get sweaty, beat each other up. You'll get better. For me, I feel like I'm on the other side where jiu-jitsu and wrestling and fighting is something I'm really good at. But right now, because of the heart surgery, my body is just telling me where to go. And I appreciate every second of hard work that I have to do. My workouts don't look very challenging, so to me they are challenging. I would say if you're someone who's intimidated about going to the gym or trying to get stronger or trying to get more athletic, just start somewhere. You know, let's say you could only do 1 push-up. That's great. Do 1 push-up 5 times. Then the next time you do push-ups is going to be like a day and a half later, whenever you're not sore, and try to beat your score. If you're at a gym that has a good equipment and you have access to a trainer, get a trainer, get them to make a workout for you, and then try to beat your record every time. It doesn't have to be the weight, as lifting heavier weights is more fun, but trying to do more reps is the same thing, depending on what your goal is. My goal is to be able to, first of all, I would like to run 5K without walking. That's my first goal. My second goal is to be able to do jiu-jitsu on consecutive days. So like doing jiu-jitsu every day would be my dream. Physically, I still have a lot of work. So right now I'm aiming for twice a week. If I get 3 times a week, that's amazing. This is my starting point. Moving forward to next year, I plan to do some obstacle course races, something that I can be competitive in, even if I'm just getting a time. Let's say I go do a 5-kilometer obstacle course race and I have to walk the whole course and I get a time of like an hour and a half. That's great. The next time I do a 5-kilometer obstacle course, I will try to do it faster than I did it before. The other benchmark that I'd like is a 2-kilometer row, a 2-kilometer swim, and a 35-kilometer bike ride. I'm not going to do them all in one day, but those are some like benchmarks that I'm trying to achieve. When it comes to jiu-jitsu right now, when I roll and do sparring, I pretty much get like a 6-minute round in and then I sit out a round. Last week I was able to do all the rounds, which I felt pretty happy with, and they were all pretty challenging efforts for me. I didn't really have an easy time, and then I may have pushed it a little bit, so I had to adjust. But adjusting is part of the learning process for me, and right now I'm just trying to work on being a better person. If these videos give anyone inspiration, you know, like and subscribe. Don't be shy. Send me a message, comment in the comments, do whatever you want, and I promise I'll respond to all of them. I welcome criticism. I welcome harsh feedback. You can do what you want. That being said, if anyone knows of a way to improve the technical side of it, send me a message or even link in the description below, not in the description below, comment in the comments below and give me some tips. I really appreciate it. I'm going to let you guys go. I got to drink some water, have a shower, and get ready for my afternoon run. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. Catch you on the flip side.